how is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I will be showing you some of the best and unique features for your Nothing Phone 1. I know you must have watched a lot of videos on YouTube, but trust me, you are not going to find these amazing hidden features anywhere else. With that being said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First, let me show you how to keep your status bar neat and clean. As you can see, it only shows the battery percentage in my status bar and I can see all the other information from the widgets which I have applied on my home screen. If you really want to remove those unwanted icons from your status bar, then head over to the Play Store and search System UI Tuner. I will also make sure to drop a direct link in the description below. Once done, simply open it and select status bar. From here you can easily disable or remove those icons that you don't want in your status bar. If you love customizing your home screen, then you should definitely try this one out. If you want to quickly access Wi-Fi or internet toggle, it requires 2 taps instead of just 1. Let's say if I want to turn off my Wi-Fi network, first I need to open my quick settings, then click on Wi-Fi and finally I can turn it off. It's a pretty long process. Now to simplify this, what you can do is you can add one extra Wi-Fi toggle in your quick settings. So simply download an app called Wi-Fi QS. It is not available in the Play Store, but you can easily get it from the link that I have provided in the description below. Once done, now open your notification panel, tap on the edit icon. Here you will see a brand new Wi-Fi toggle. Just long press and drag it to your quick settings. Now you can easily turn on your Wi-Fi connection with a single click. A lot of you are asking me how to lock applications in this phone. Sadly, Nothing Phone 1 doesn't have any app lock feature. Instead, what you can do is, you can create a separate profile just to lock or hide your applications. Let me show you how you can do this. Just go to your settings, select System. Here you will find an option called Multiple Users. Simply go inside and turn it on. Here you can easily create a separate profile just to hide all your applications. Each profile will have a personal space on your phone where you can easily install applications which you want to hide. You can add a new password, create a new account and do a lot more. I will highly recommend you to use this feature instead of installing any third-party app locker on your phone. The Nothing Phone 1 comes with a punch hole that is located on the top left of your screen, and if you really want to make better use of this camera cutout, then you can install an application called Notch Battery Bar. Basically, it uses your phone's notch as a battery indicator. All you have to do is simply install this application and allow some basic permissions that is required. Now go to Overlay and select the position as left. Then you can easily adjust the size as per your phone's notch. Once done, now it's gonna show you the exact battery percentage around the camera cutout. For the price of free, you can definitely install this application and give it a try. Finally, let me show you how you can customize the share menu. Whenever you share a picture or something else on your phone, when you click on this share icon, you get all the unnecessary applications that you don't even use to share your pictures. To fix this, what you can do is, you can pin only your most used applications at the top. Simply long press on the app icon and select pin. This way, all your favorite applications will appear on the top itself, and every time when you share a picture, you don't have to search for that specific app. Let's say, if I only use WhatsApp and Instagram to share all my pictures and files, then I will keep those 2 applications on the top like this. It definitely saves a bit of your time. So that's it for this video. These are some amazing tips, tricks and hidden features for your Nothing Phone 1. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.